Hood, hood no ni. We are going on the streets now. I'm a lot different questions. How people will react on these questions. Báwọn yẹn ṣe máa react sí lórí question yẹn náà. In the hood náà ni. Oh yeah, let's go to the street. Come back. This is Able Television. No that yẹn bá ṣe máa ń ṣe. Ó ti yẹn this is street vibes. Orí títí náà la wà. Kò ṣe títí eléruko títí ọlọ́dà náà ni. I don't forget my name. My name na MC Black, the black man. All right, I have this my looking good auntie. Tí wọ́n set making. All right, what's your name, man?
My name is Florence.
Florence, all right. I just have few questions for you, then we are good to go. Assuming you are moving, maybe you are inside the bus and you just see someone that just sneeze. What would be your reaction? During this corona, remember we are in a coronic something.
First, I'll get inside the bus. So after that, I'm going to use my nose covering to cover my nose.
All right, no problem. I have another question for you. What's your favorite food?
Oh wow. My favorite food is fried rice and chicken.
Yeah. So can you just give us an insight of how we can prepare fried rice and chicken?
Okay. First of all, I don't know how to prepare it.
You are caught red-handed though. Oh God. Okay, let's leave that. Who is your favorite actor or actress?
Davido.
Like someone that has movies.
Funke Akindele.
Funke Akindele. Just in a nutshell, in 60 seconds, can you just act like Funke Akindele?
I don't know how to.
And you call her your favorite actress. Oh God of mercy. So you can't act like that. My lovely daddy mi tó said that kí lorúkọ yín sà.
A máa ń pè mí ní Oríyọmí aka Bámidélé ṣùgbọ́n àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí Chinko. Chinko.
All right, mo kàn ní àwọn ìbéèrè kan àbí méjì tí mo kàn fẹ́ bí ń léèrè. Jẹ́ kí a assume pé ẹ wà nínú mọ́tò bí nínú kòró tá a wà yìí. Ẹ kàn rí téèyàn kọ́kàn dédé sin bóyá èèyàn méjì wọ́n kàn sin lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà gbà kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ máa ṣe sà.
Lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ni màá tẹ break màá kọ́kọ́ yà màá wojú àwọn yẹn pé ṣé kì í ṣe kòró leléyìí.
Ẹ máa jápa nìyẹn. Ẹ máa jápa ládìmí láwọn máa jápa táwọn bá lọ rẹ́ni tó lọ ń sin. All right, dádì kí ni oúnjẹ tẹ́ like jù tó yẹ pé tí wọ́n bá ti sè báyìí inú yín kàn máa ń dùn pé oúnjẹ mi gangan ni.
Mo like máa wéwọ́ gan o tí n bá ti rí àmàlà tó dúró re ó tún wá di gbẹ̀gìrì mú ewédú yẹn tún wá lẹ́gùsí kò sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́.
Oh God. Ẹ mú mi lọ sí ewédú ẹlẹ́gùsí. All right, daddy, last question. Ta ni actor tàbí actress tẹ́ like jù àwọn tó ń ṣeré móhùnmáwòrán yẹn?
N tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé mo máa ń wéré Yorùbá ṣùgbọ́n tí mo believe nínú ẹ̀ òun ni fíìmù Chinese.
Chinese táwa ni ẹ tẹ́ like inú fíìmù Chinese tẹ́ máa ń wò yẹn sà.
Ẹnìkan wà ó ti pẹ́ wọ́n máa ń pè ní Leon.
Ìyẹn tí ó lágbára.
Ó ti pẹ́ torí mo fẹ́ràn láti máa sọ Chinese dáadáa láti máa torí ẹ̀ náà ṣe máa ń pè mí ní Pastor Chinko.
Okay. Ṣé ẹ kàn lè heart bíi Leon yẹn in just 10 seconds sir.
Kò sí wàhálà bẹ́ẹ̀ ohun tó rọrùn fọmọ Ọlọ́run ni. Ke kucin do zai ke an wacin da ta zai ke makwacin da zaka tanda da bakwacin do zakin da kwacin da ba su to on ya fantan da inna na katun do zai ken ba kan da ce je ma ko yin nan za ba kon to shin da tan ba zai an do pe on maka.
Iye bá ṣe máa ń ṣe this is Able Television. Ẹ má lọ dọ̀lẹ̀ street náà la wà kò kí ṣe títí elórúkọ títí ọlọ́dà ni. All right, I have this my Ọlọ́run àwọn kan wọ́n ti wà òkè pé kí ló fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ kí lórúkọ yín sà.
Orúkọ mi Jayọlá ni Jayọlá.
All right. I just have 3 questions for you. Question yẹn ò pọ̀ náà pọ̀. Kárí jẹ́ pé ẹ ń lọ ẹwà nu mọ́tò ẹ kàn rí tí èèyàn kankan dédé sí ó kàn sí píìtì ní time tá a wà yìí kí lẹ máa ṣe.
Kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ kú láyé tó wà.
Òun náà mo ti rí pé.
Àgbò ni torí mi ìfẹ́ fáírọ́ọ̀sì yẹn kò ṣe tèmi. Ó máa padà sí tó ti wá ni.
Ẹ máa jápa.
Ẹnu gbẹ báyìí lọ́wọ́ tá a wà báyìí ta ló fẹ́ kú ẹ̀rí wọn di bẹ́ẹ̀ tó lọ sónú òṣùpá ni ta ló fẹ́ kú. Prevention is better than cure. Oh Lord, Bango, if you know so you like yourself, you need to get something like this.
Oh wow.
I tell you, for the good Nigerians, because life is very precious to anybody. Now, so that is what I'm going
So
to.
nítorí náà lè ṣe protect ara yín.
Yes.
Corona is real.
I tell you, it's real. Sanitize your hand, your face when you are going to anywhere. Make sure that you are load like when you are lost in war. Níbà ó ti dógun báyìí.
Ó ti dógun.
Ọ̀nà máa kó dógun mọ́ wa ní Nàìjíríà. You know, we are very protected. So that's
Oh, all right. Thank you very much. I just have another question for you. Kí ni oúnjẹ tẹ́ like jù?
oúnjẹ tí mo láìkì jù. Ìyẹn ni gan pé ẹ̀bà ni.
Ẹ̀bà
Ẹ̀bà ni.
àti kí ni?
Àti gbẹ̀gìrì àti àmàlà tó gbóná dáadáa. Ọlọ́run bá ń gbọ́ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ lára bọ̀.
Ẹ lè sọ fún wa bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe àmàlà bọ́n ṣe máa ń prepare.
Amala is made up of this kini wọ́n yìí máa ṣe yẹn a máa ṣe ní ẹbí gbómi kaná ẹ máa dà sórí ẹ lè máa mú ológun yẹn ẹ máa fi rò tó ti yẹ yín tó bá jọ wá ṣe díẹ̀ o ẹ wá dé pa ẹ má kúrò mbẹ́ o tẹ́ bá ti kúrò mbẹ́ ó lè jóná o ẹ máa dúró tì í tó bá yẹ díẹ̀ bóyá like 5 minutes kẹ́ tún padà ṣí padà kẹ́ wá pa gáàsì yẹn kẹ́ wá gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé kẹ́ máa yí.
Turning. All right. This last question. Ta ni favourite actor or actress yín tẹ́ like jù tẹ́ máa ń wò nínú eré pé mo dẹ̀ like ẹni I love this person how he act or how she act.
Okay, I might say that Ọdún Adékọ́lá.
Odunlade Adekola. All right. In just 16 seconds can you act like Odunlade Adekola?
You want me to act like him? Ọ̀gbẹ́ni kí ló ṣe gan báyìí mo ní kó bá ń páàkì mọ́tò ń bẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n ṣe bí wàhálà tó dẹ̀ ti dàrú ni mo tó jọ́ síbẹ̀ àwọn ọ̀yà wẹ̀rẹ̀ ní báńkì tó wà.
Àti wa okay welcome back. This is Able Television Street Vibes náà lélẹ̀ náà ó ti yé yín bá ṣe máa ń ṣe ó ti yé yín. I have this my looking good sister you are beautiful.
Thank you.
All right kí lórúkọ yín?
Temidayo.
Temidayo. All right. Mo kàn láwọn béèrè just few questions then we are good to go. Assuming pé ẹ ń lọ ní ojú títì ẹnì kọ́kọ́ kọjá lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ yín ó kàn sí ní pọ́ kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ máa ṣe?
Màá jápa.
Àǹtí láwọn máa jápa ni kí ló dé nítorí corona yìí náà. All right no problem. What's your favourite food? Kí ni oúnjẹ tẹ́ like jù tẹ́ nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí láti máa jẹ jù?
Egg and yam.
Egg and yam. Ṣé ẹ kàn lè sọ few things nípa egg and yam kẹ́ ẹ bọ́yẹn prepare?
Tẹ́ bá ti ní òróró ẹyin ata maggi ẹ wá wọrí ìyẹn ti set.
Ó ti set nìyẹn. All right no problem. Mo rí pé àǹtí wọn like iṣu àtẹyin yẹn gan. All right who is your favourite actor or actress?
Ọdúnládé.
Ọdúnládé ó bá ọmọ tó ṣe ẹ lè láti bí Ọdúnládé just 10 seconds. Bó ṣe máa ṣe ó yára.
Èmi Ọdúnládé kìíní kan ẹ wò ẹ gbàgbé.
This is Able Television on the street no la de wa we dey on street no forget that one don't touch that at all oya kẹ́ máa gbọ́ kẹ́ máa wò kẹ́ máa all right I have this my looking good uncle this my looking good brother kí lorúkọ yín?
Ọlájídé.
You are Olajide. All right I just have few questions for you and we are good to go and okay let's assume you are inside a bus bóyá ẹ̀yin márùn-ún ẹ kàn wà nínú bus ẹ kàn rí téèyàn kọ́kọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà during this coronic period kí lẹ máa ṣe?
Kò sí nǹkan tí màá ṣe náà.
Kò sí nǹkan tẹ máa ṣe ẹ wà nínú bus o.
Màá prevent ara before entering the bus.
I love that okay all right another question just about your food with what's your best food?
Well, I don't have any best food. I take anything that I see.
Oh, irọ́ ni. You would like something that this food though whenever I see this food though I don't know how my muscle used to.
Okay. You can prepare fried plantain and egg for me.
Oh boy. All right. The last question. Who is your favourite actor or actress?
Nollywood or Hollywood?
Anyone.
Oh well, I guess Dwayne Johnson.
And
Vin Diesel.
Okay. Can you act just like them? Just in a nutshell, just like 10 seconds. Like now, maybe Odunlade, me, can you call me? Just like that.
I'm sorry, I can't act like that.
Oh boy, and you said
muscles, so
you don't have muscles. Uncle, how you doing, sir?
I'm good.
You're good. Your name?
Ekene.
Yeah?
Ekene.
All right. Just a few questions and we are good to go. Let's assume you are in a bus and you are moving during this COVID-19. You are moving. You just see somebody that just sneeze. What will be your first reaction?
My first reaction is that I won't panic, but when I get home, I will know what to do. So
You don't have a favorite food?
I don't know to be sincere because there are plenty food I like.
That means you are a foodie. All right. The last question. Who is your favorite actor or actress?
Okay. My favorite actor is Nkem Owo. Nkem Owo.
Ikemu, that's Igbo.
Yeah.
Is that Igbo actor, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you just in just 10 seconds can you act like that actor?
No, I can't. I'm not like funny as.
Kí lorúkọ yín?
Ayọ̀mídé.
Ayọ̀mídé. Okay, Ayọ̀tèmi náà máa dé. Mo kàn fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín àwọn question kékèké kan mi mọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa feel. Alright, maybe ẹ wà nínú mọ́tò ẹ kàn rí ní time tá a wà ní corona yìí ẹ wá rí pé èèyàn kọ́kàn sílẹ̀ kan náà gbọ́ ó kàn sí kí ni reaction yín?
Màá bẹ̀ dànù ni o.
Ẹ máa bẹ́ dànù kí ló dé?
Nítorí ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kò dáa kéèyàn káìsàn tí kò dáa.
So ẹ tiẹ̀ lé tí mo rò pé boss man ni àbí boss lady ni. Alright, second question kí ni oúnjẹ tẹ́ like jù?
Mo like Indomie.
Indomie lẹ like. Okay, kí làwọn ingredient tán fi ṣe Indomie? Kí ni àwọn nǹkan tán lò tán pò papọ̀ tán fi ṣe Indomie?
Maggi ni.
Maggi ni kí ni? Àǹtí ìlà sọ́wọ́ fọ́ ni o. Alright, the last question. Ta ni favourite actor yín tàbí actress? Bóyá Ọdúnládé, bóyá Miwa Adémọ́lá, bóyá Sanyeri, Kamilu and co.
Portable.
Portable. Okosaka ni ẹ. Ṣé lè heart be portable? Maybe just 10 seconds.
Everybody see Kochundozi. Watch Kinazi Dabo Kuchun. Isn't na everybody Kuchundozi. Imba. Or able television. A button correct TV part Tozi.
Today's edition was wow. different reaction on these questions. We dey on our Instagram, Able Television, Facebook also Able Television. Emma wo wa live. Don't touch that die. I remained the MC blackout. Man to dudun tati o dudun ninu o ti yin Able Television náà ni. All right, in the hood. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Next time, next edition. Remain blessed.